Shalom Chavarim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a tutorial or screen recording on the second set of Gmail skills. Now I'm assuming that all of you can get on the course website where it says Judaic Instruction Utilizing Free Web Tools. And let's get to the week 1 assignment by clicking here. And let's get to assignment number 1. And you see over here where it says click on this Google document for the second set of Gmail skills. So let's click on that right now. And you'll notice that these are the various skills that you will be learning, because you have already learned how to add a contact and create a group and attach a file and also hyperlink. But today we're going to start with investigating the Gmail interface. Okay, and then we have some other things that we want to do, but let's just start with looking at the Gmail interface. Okay, so I'm going to get to the Gmail site for Gratz College, and I'm going to share some things here with you. So the first thing I want to show you is that if you go over here where it says apps, there are a lot of things you can do, and we'll be going over this later in the course. You can get to Google Drive, you can get to Mail, you can do Google Plus, which will give you access to something called Google Plus Hangout. But I just wanted you to see this. In fact, you can even get to YouTube, etc., all through using these apps. The next thing I wanted to show you and remind you is Gmail is here and contacts are here. We already went and discussed that, and we also discussed how to create a group. So there are a couple other things I want to show you on the interface. So let's say we compose a letter or an email, and let's say we want to send it to Aaron Hirsch. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, and here on the interface there are different icons. So let's say the subject is just call this a test tutorial on Gmail skills. Okay. And in the subject, we say, this is a demonstration of the Gmail interface, right? So you see over here, if you highlight this, you could change the font. Okay, so let's say I wanted to make it a Common Sense MS font. You see how I did that? And if you want to change the size of the font, you just click over here and you can make it large. All right, if you want to boldface the font and make it bold, if you want to underline the font, you go here. I should say italicize. If you want to underline it, you go here. If you want not to underline it, you just do the opposite. And you have also the opportunity to change the color of the font and even have an opportunity to change the background of the font to make it a different color. I'll show you how we do that. Okay, I don't particularly care for it, so let's undo that and make it white, or at least blue. Okay, so we also have ways of changing the alignment to, let's say, a middle alignment, or a left alignment, or a right alignment. Let's go back to the left alignment. And notice, this word should be interface. We also can indicate numbers. 1, 2, let's see, this will be 1. Whoops. Let's go over here. We can make this 1. We'll call this item 1. Or we can make them into bullets. See how we did that? Here are numbers, here are bullets, and we also can indent. We can move this over, and we can also move this back. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you is the send area, the send icon. If you know, you can format, you have formatting options here. All right, and we already discussed how to attach the file and that you could get to your Google Drive here, and here you could take a picture. And here we talked earlier about inserting a link for hyperlinking, and here you have a choice of adding emoticons. Let me give you an example of what an emoticon might look like. So you go over the plus button, you go over here, and let's say you want a heart, and there it is. So that is an example of the various icons. If you want to minimize the size of the screen, you have that. And those are, if you want to discard the draft, you just hit this. And if you want to print, you want to check spelling, you have those options. So I'm going to just discard this right now. And that represents the interface for the Gmail. So let's get to the next set of skills. Okay, and that has to do with how to make yourself available, invisible, busy, etc. on Gmail, how to chat with one or more people, or telephone a person or telephone a person's computer via Gmail, and actually how to start and participate in a live video call by using Gmail. Now, this is very important. In order to participate in a live video call with another person, you will have to download this Gmail plugin. Okay, so let me just show you how to do that. You click on this, okay, and you click over here, and you download the plugin. And if you download the plugin, you can do all of the things that we said you can do. And I'll demonstrate that in a moment. But don't forget to download the plugin onto your computer. So let's show you actually how you, first of all, how you make yourself visible or available. Okay. And this all occurs, again, if you download the plugin. See, I am now available, but if I want to show myself as being busy, I click here. If I want to show myself as being invisible, I click here. And notice that, okay? Now, let's say I want to call Elaine. Now, Elaine made herself visible. You see this green camera? That means she's visible. Let's say I want to call Elaine's phone for free. All right, so all I do is I dial Elaine's number, 520-749-5990. And I'm actually calling Elaine for free. Okay, let's see if she answers the phone.
Hello?
All right, Lane, so we just proved that it's possible to use Gmail to make free phone calls. So I'm just going to end this conversation, and shortly we'll demonstrate chatting and video conferencing, okay?
Sounds good. Bye-bye.
Thank you. So you see that. Now, if I want to engage Elaine in a video call, I can click over here. But I also have another choice. Let's play with where it says Elaine C. Solomon. Okay, and let's click on this. Let's bring Elaine's picture up here. And the first thing we're going to do is let's call Elaine's computer. Okay, let's call Elaine's computer. Let's see if Elaine can receive this on her computer.
Hello?
Yeah, so I called Elaine's computer and she's answering.
Yes, I am.
Okay, well, thank you so much. I'm going to end the conversation.
Bye.
Okay, so we saw that we could do that. I can also chat with Elaine. and say, hello, Elaine. And let's see if she can chat or text back to me. Okay. Yep, you see she's typing over there? So you can text or chat with the person by using this. All right, so she is doing that. And okay, I'm going to write fine. And now I'm going to show how one can chat with several people on Gmail. Whoops, let me spell that properly. Several people on Gmail. Okay, so let me return this to her. And you see over here, if you want to add people, like let's say I wanted to add Erin Hirsch. Okay, I would just put her name in or put her Gmail address in, and I would invite her to engage in a chat with the two of us. So that's the way you engage in this. Now, the last thing I want to show you is how to start a video call. Okay, so I'm going to click over here. Okay. And I am trying to engage in a video call with Elaine.
Hello.
Okay, so we are now engaged in a video call. And by the way, if I want to add other people to join the video call, I can just click over here and add other people's names. Like, let's say I wanted Erin Hirsch. Okay, so I would add Erin Hirsch's name and I would just hit invite, and therefore Erin Hirsch and Elaine and I can all be engaged in a video call. This is actually called Google Plus Hangout. Okay, so Elaine, I'm going to cancel this, and I'd like you to cancel or leave the call as well by clicking on the phone icon, which is in the upper right. So it says leave call. I'm going to end my conversation, and hopefully Elaine was able to end that conversation. And let me just show you another way to start a video chat is to see where it says more over here. You can start a video chat by going over here. And let's see if Elaine can answer this. So this would be a one-on-one conversation. Whereas with the Google Plus Hangout, you can engage in a conversation with Elaine to answer. So it seems like Elaine didn't hang up on her. Oh wait, there she is. Great. So by clicking on this one video chat, you can speak to one person. So Elaine, can you talk and let everyone know that you're here?
I am here. I am talking, and this request to speak to me was behind something else, and it had to shut down the first thing.
Exactly.
First.
Exactly.
And that's why it took me so long to answer. I apologize.
That's okay. Right, because you had to close out the Google Plus Hangout, right, which is the vehicle to speak to up to 9 additional people, which we'll be getting to do later. So I'm going to end this call.
Okay.
And please terminate your call as well. And let's see if we did all the things that we said that we were going to do on this second assignment. I think we showed you how to make yourself available, visible, or busy, how to chat with one or more people, how to telephone a person or telephone a person's computer. And we showed you how to start and participate in a live video call by using Gmail. We showed you how to do that in 2 different ways, how to have a video conference with one person, and we actually went ahead and showed you how to conference with up to 9 other people by using Google Plus Hangout. So what we're wanting you to do is to install or download the video chatting competency by downloading this plugin onto your computer. And we would like you to engage in a chat and a phone call and phone the computer's phone number and your learning partner's phone number, and also do engage in a video call with me. Okay? And remember, to find who your learning partner is, all you'll have to do is click here. And to find out the contact information regarding your learning partner, their telephone number, Skype number, home number, the school that they teach you, do that here. So thank you so much for your patience and your time, and it's really fun having you in class.